Do you ever have one of those days where you're just reflecting, looking back on your life, and you think, what can barcodes do for me? I know I do. So the question is, what can barcodes do for you? And really the answer is, what can't they do? Consider your business and realize that barcodes can help you at every step of the way. So for example, as soon as you have a shipment come in, you can scan those items and put them in instead of writing it down, running back into the office or the desktop. Now with those items, you can scan them again and assign it to a spot in the shelf or the aisle or wherever you put it in the warehouse. Now when it's ready for, let's say, manufacturing, you scan it off the shelf, you scan it to a bill of material or a work order, which, hey, it also has a barcode to it, and you can scan all the items you need. Boom, there it is. You make the product, you scan that finished product, boom, you scan it back out, you scan it onto the shelf, it sits on the shelf, then that one guy who works in shipment, and he kind of keeps to himself, but he's a nice guy. He has the pick order, has a barcode, you scan it, you scan the item you need, maybe it's a few items, boom, 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 all scanned, all registered into the software, and then it sits there ready for pickup, and then the guy comes, maybe it's UPS, they're usually nice, FedEx, they're always in a hurry, and then DHL, they don't, come on. And then they get scanned again, and boom, you're done. Now imagine all that scanning, all that barcoding, gone. Now, every time that you're in one of those steps, you got to write it down, you got to log it somewhere else, maybe you got a spreadsheet, I don't know how you do it, but it's more time spent and it's a lot more likely to have some human error in it. Maybe you write down the wrong thing or you write the wrong amount. Every chance is an opportunity to mess it up. But with barcoding, it's just and it's done, and that's what they sound like. So I can already hear some of your pushback, which is, well, maybe I don't want to buy a barcode scanner or they get lost easily. Look, if you want barcoding to work for you, you just create a dedicated little station so that everyone knows where they are and where they go when they're done using them. And if you want to keep it really simple, there's even an app you can just download onto your phone. Look at that. And you got barcoding good to go. Oh, it happens to be the one that we make. I know. Fishbowl Go, you should check it out. So at the end of the day, when you're reflecting about your business and all the things you could do, just remember, barcodes are for you. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.